speedy.
Alright, so I ended up getting this off. As I spoke about in the last video, I'm going to remove all the Sniper EFI stuff, the distributor. I'm going to take off the intake manifold. First I got to do the drain. So this is the first part. Let's go ahead and dive deeper into this bad boy. I'll take that back. I really meant to say let's dive deep into this bad girl.
Wanted was a rolling like it's stolen, pumping, potent, hit the gas and get the coasting. All I wanted was a rolling, sipping Corona, blowing marijuana. I'm bending corners, my mind a goner. In the photo, I've been a loner, just me, myself, and me, Pistola. Moving through the city like I'm moving Coca-Cola, living La Vida Loca. Don't approach them, this 5% for a reason. I'm fully loaded and chiefing, put holes in you if you peeping. No time for no griefing, my calendar, it got no weekend. I'm on a mission to get it, if you snoozing, I leave you sleeping. Pop, catch me, I think not, till we die like Slipknot. I'm gone in the wind, no pit stops. Since a youngin', all I wanted was a wristwatch. That rollie on my wrist, I said this rollie leave you pissed. This gold inside my mouth is blangin', make me talk with a lisp. I'm having visions of all my work paying off in abundance. My homie Sin made this beat, we ripped it up till it's jumping. From the jump, yeah, from nothing.
Oh, what? We have a hole. Alrighty, this is where we're at right now. And so we got this off. Now we're gonna take off that side. Had to verify again, there was no compression. No compression. And this one, the push rods are not bent. Verified that as well by turning over the motor. None of these push rods are bent. Just no compression. So piston rings are gonna be at fault here. And alright, so this is where we're at. Got the cuz over there. Right, cuz?
Rolling it up.
Yes, sir. Alright, so now the head and the intake are off. So conclusions. Well, I don't know if it had something to do with the flooding, but this is as far as we got. Right, Rudy? So this is as far as we got.
The what?
This is as far as we got.
Oh, you're recording?
Yep.
So I'm going viral?
Maybe. I'm trying to figure out this fucking issue. The head gasket wasn't busted, so that was perfectly sealed. Gasket material. These two had compression, and then these two didn't. So I know this isn't nothing that it's like blown out or nothing, because these bitches had compression. 150, like 150, 160, somewhere around there. And so we'll figure out what happens. And no, that's not caused by the piston or nothing. I think that was just for me handling it the first time I took it out. Alright, so now turn off the fan. Alright. So I was talking to y'all guys about basically what's going on with the motor, showing you the process of the steps that it takes to get it back down to just the kind of like the short block. I didn't take up the other head because I know it's good, So I know I'm not really in a rush yet because I don't have the dart block yet. I don't have, you know, the rotating assembly, you know. So I'm just saving up the funds, but here within the next month or so, you know, hopefully I'll have the dart block. It'll be race prep, ready to assemble it, and we'll start from there. So basically from here, I guess on the next couple videos I'm gonna be showing, it's still gonna be about the car. It's gonna be about doing the upgraded brakes. So I'm gonna be doing the brakes. I'm gonna be doing the struts. I also gotta install the doors. It's a lot of stuff that I still gotta do. So whenever those things come down to, you know, priority on the list, right now the engine is priority. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that first, get everything else done later, and hopefully it turns out great, because I'm tired of spending money on this thing, and I just need to hurry up and fucking finish it. I want to fucking drive already. Everybody else around Houston's going to cruises and other shit, and I mean, even if I don't go to cruises with these guys or these events, for whatever reasons, you know, working or whatever it might be, I still want to be able to enjoy my car, just get in it and just go. I haven't been able to do that for over a year, and it really sucks. So that's where I'm going to go ahead and end the video. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned in the near future for a dart build, and that will be exciting because there's not many people out there doing they're not vlogging their, you know, their build for a dart block, and that's kind of one of the things that I was wanting to do. I wanted to do you know, vlog about the Sniper EFI, which I wasn't able to do because it wasn't running properly, and well, because the cylinders were fucking firing, pop, you know, there's no compression in that bitch. So stay tuned for that dart build. Thanks for watching.